Okay, so on this one, we are wanting to factor completely, simplify if possible, okay? So I'm gonna write up here what we do. We do multiply, add, multiply. So we're looking for two parentheses where the front times the front multiplies to be the front. So what times what makes 25t squared? That's going to be 5t times 5t. So 5t times 5t makes 25t squared. Front times front, right? And then what multiplies to be 16? 4 times 4 multiplies to be 16. Notice I didn't put in the pluses or minuses yet. Now, let me think about the pluses or minuses we might need. They have to add to be the middle term, which is what? Notice, negative. Negative. So how can you have, what signs do I need on those fours if they've got to multiply to be positive? Multiply to be positive 16. How do two numbers multiply to be positive and yet add to be negative? Both negative. They got to both be negative, don't they? Because two negatives multiply to be positive, and yet they add to be a bigger negative. Now you might say, yeah, but they only add to be -8, Mr. Heron. Well, no, they're actually right. That is actually the right answer. Let me prove it over here. You don't have to prove it over here, but I want to show you. Let me check it. Remember how you would actually check if it's actually right? How do you actually multiply out two parentheses? You would just do first to both. 5t times 5t is 25t squared, and then second to both, so this would be minus 20t, right? That's 5t went to both those guys. And now this one's going to go to both, and that'd be another minus 20t and a plus 16. And see how these two in the middle would make minus 40t when you add the middle, which is correct. So it's right. So how do you actually give this answer? When you have the same exact thing twice, it's 5t minus 4 squared, right? That means the same exact thing twice. And so there we go.